really should consider applying the precautionary principle in these matters, which is recognized by the United Nations, which essentially states first do no harm. And I also think that looking at the UN Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People would be useful in terms of free, prior, and informed consent that talks about we have to be fully notified as Indigenous people who are relying so closely on the land and the animals for our way of life. So we should be fully briefed and have a full understanding about the technologies so that we can make the decisions ourselves and actually consent to the technologies after we have had the chance as Indigenous communities and governments to decide that it is safe for us and our future generations.